Welcome back, students. Today's topic is tables. How to implement and creating tables in HTML document. Now go to our notepad. Take a new file, Control N, Control S to save the file. HTML/HTML. Now I am saving it as table.html, table.html, all files. All files, table.html, save. Right? Again you have to type head. Inside the head we have to type title, my table. Next one, body. Okay, every table has rows and columns. Nothing but intersection of row and column is a cell, like a box. We have to fill in that box only, right? Here I am giving an example. Table, row 1, row 2, row 3, column 1, column 2, column 3. This kind of table we have to prepare in HTML. For this purpose we are using the following tags like table. The entire table follows by table. For rows use it to tr. Tr means table row. Td means table data, and for the purpose of columns, right? Next one, we have to implement this kind of table by using this structure. Okay, I am typing this structure in our notepad++. Right, first tag table. Table has opening and closing. In this container table we have to write table row, tr. Row contains columns. Okay, row contains columns. Here it is shown, row contains column 1, column 2, like that. In one row we have 2 columns. For that purpose we have to prepare td. Td in the sense table data. In this first table data we are having serial number. Here it is serial number. Okay. SL.NO. Right. Next one, another column. That column contains name. NAME. Right. Here the row will be ended. Here the row will be ended. Next, row 2. Again we are having column 1, column 2, but the column data will be different. So we have to change the data only. In this place we have to write 1. In this place we have to write large. Like that we are creating any number of rows and columns. I am here creating 3 rows which are having 2 columns with Rajshekhar Venkat. Right? Control S, save. We have to implement this table in our web browser. Go to web browser. Here table.html. no, you are not getting here. Anyhow, we are implementing in this table only by typing this structure here, from here to here. Control C, copy this, have to paste it, right? Control save, refresh it, F5. In the bottom we are getting the exact row and columns. Here we identify the rows and columns without any segregation. Segregation in the sense lines. For that purpose we have to draw a line. Okay, now go to our notepad. For that purpose we have to give an attribute called border. Border equals to 2 pixels. Now refresh it, F5. See here the border will be getting. And again we want an alignment like align equals to center. Save it and refresh it. Here we get center alignment also. If you want one more column, you have to type it. You have to type here another column, another TD. Nothing but column is nothing but TD, table data, marks, right? For that purpose, we are adding one more column, marks. Okay, I am adding some more marks here, right? Control S, save and F5, refresh. See, the table will be expanded. If you want to add one more row, then just copy and paste here and modify the data. First column data, second column data, last column data. Control S, save, refresh it. See, here you are getting 4 rows, 1 heading. Now I want to align its center. Content will be in center. So here look at here, table. It gets center alignment of the names and its contents. For that purpose we want to align the data. Go to row, tag, align equals to center. Save it and refresh it, F5. Right. And color equals to teal. Save it and refresh. Sorry, I want to set it in BG color. Look at the top heading will be in blue color or teal color. Like that you have to implement colors in the table. I want to apply color for this data to red. I want to change it red. Control S, save and refresh it. Okay, likewise you have to change the color in the background. If you want entire table to some different color, then go to table tag and give the table BG color equals to some yellow. Save it and refresh it. Okay, look at the background color to yellow color. Likewise you want to Align in center alignment of the text. I want here align equals to center, V align equals to middle. Okay, align equals center, V align equals to middle. V in the sense vertical alignment, right? Refresh it, F5. Control S save and refresh it. Will not apply it anyhow. Okay. Okay, coming to row span and column span in the table. If you want to merge rows or columns by using column span for merging columns, row span for merging rows. For that purpose, go to our Notepad++. I want to give a heading on top of the table, right? Here I am giving TR. TR means table row. Okay, and table row contains TD, table data. By default, we are having 3 columns, but we are merging the 3 columns into single column. Okay. For that purpose, I am giving student data. Only single data will be given. Okay. ఒక డేటా మాత్రమే ఇచ్చాం, మిగతా రెండింటిని మనం కలిపి మొత్తం మూడింటికి ఒక కాలం కింద మెర్జ్ చేయాలి. మెర్జ్ చేయడం అంటే నథింగ్ బట్ ఇక్కడ కాల్ స్పాన్ అని చెప్పి మనం యూజ్ చేయాల్సిన ట్యాగ్. ఎక్కడ టేబుల్ డేటా ఎక్కడైతే ఉందో అక్కడ ఇవ్వాలన్నమాట. కాల్ స్పాన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు 3. ఓకే, రీఫ్రెష్ చేయండి, సేవ్ చేసి. ఓకే, చూడండి అక్కడ స్టూడెంట్ డేటా అనేది క్లియర్గా సెంటర్లో మెర్జ్ అయ్యి వచ్చింది కదా. దీన్ని మనం అవసరమైతే అలైన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు LIGN, అలైన్ ఈక్వల్స్ టు సెంటర్, సేవ్ ఇట్ అండ్ రిఫ్రెష్ ఇట్, రైట్? లైక్ దట్ we have to merge rows also. For that purpose, I am showing you second and third rows. I want to merge. Here row span equals to 2. It means 2 rows will be merged. For that purpose, we don't need to first column of third row, right? Save it and refresh it. Look at it. The data will be merged into single row. Okay. If you want alignment, just align equals to ALIGN, align equals to center, VLI equals to middle. Save it and refresh it. Look at that, right? Like that we have to merge columns and rows also. And last and final one, cell spacing and cell padding. Cell spacing says చుట్టూ బార్డర్ కింద మనకి ఎక్స్ట్రా స్పేస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది. సెల్ ప్యాడింగ్ అంటే కంటెంట్ మధ్యలో చుట్టూ మనకి స్పేస్ ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తుంది. అది మేజర్ డిఫరెన్స్ ఇన్ సెల్ స్పేసింగ్ అండ్ సెల్ ప్యాడింగ్. ఇక్కడ మేము గ్రీన్ కలర్ ఇచ్చిందంతా కూడా సెల్ స్పేసింగ్, అలాగే రెడ్ కలర్ చూపిస్తున్నది సెల్ ప్యాడింగ్. ఇది ఎంటైర్ టేబుల్కి అప్లై అవ్వడం జరుగుతూ ఉంటుంది. మనం దీన్ని సెల్ స్పేసింగ్ సెల్ ప్యాడింగ్ని మనం టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్లో ఇవ్వడం జరుగుతుంది. రైట్, టు గో టు టేబుల్ ట్యాగ్. సెల్ spacing, first one I am implementing cell spacing equals to 10. Save it and refresh it. Look at the border will be enlarged like that. Cell padding equals to 5 means 5 pixels. Save it and refresh it. Look at the space will be increased in that box. Right, students, we have an example for table in this presentation. Here it is. Yes, here it is. You have to prepare this type of table for your practice purpose. Student and employees detail list. The entire table will having 1 2 3 4 columns and the rows will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows. But first row will be merged, nothing but column span, and second row first 2 columns will be merged and again next 2 columns will be merged. Likewise, you have to do the needful steps and do it in your homework, in your notebook. Right? Thank you all. Next class will be on forms and frames. Okay, thank you all.